Hello everybody. I'd like to present you our setup. This is for drinking water preparation. The setup consists of the following elements. 3 filters. First filter is mechanical one, 1 micron. Second filter is carbon filter. And the last one is again mechanical filter, 1 micron. Water comes through the filters and comes through the UV disinfector, Clara, where water fully disinfected. To pump water through the setup, we need some pump. We use garden sprayer for this role because it does not require power supply. It's just manually. Garden sprayer easily connects to our setup. This setup, as you see, is delivered to user, to customer. As is. Customer just need to connect garden sprayer to the setup. It's very easy. That's all. Then we need to take dirty water from river, lake, water well, etc. And we fill water to the garden sprayer. Of course, garden sprayer is pre-filled before. This is just to show you how it works. Okay, so garden sprayer is filled with water. Now we pump the pressure here. Please check this manometer. Pressure is ready. Then it's outcome tank for outcome water. We open first valve. Water fills the system. Then we open second valve and water come out. Clean water come out. Blue indicator shows that the system works and water fully disinfected. That's all. It's very easy and simple. Next question about power supply. This disinfector is powered, normally it's powered from the network. But in our case, especially in Ukraine, we can expect absence of the normal power supply. What to do in this case? For this we developed alternative power supply unit. We connect it to disinfector and then we need to connect it to alternative power source. Alternative power source can be, for example, battery, 12-volt battery. Connect to it, plus, minus, power unit works. Now open the valve. Water come out and our disinfector and our system works properly. Also, we can use power bank like this one. It's powerful power bank. Okay, so it's charged to 91%, for example. Connect here. Power unit is switched on. Again, open the valve and the system works. Everything is okay. Productivity of the system is 1-2 liters per minute or 50-100 liters per hour, taking into account the time needed to recharge, refill the garden sprayer with water. And we get clean drinking water. Thank you very much.